Hey everybody.
Hello.
We're back once again. As you may notice, the garage is finished more or less. At least the project to insulate and panel the walls and organize our storage space. The old man has been exceptionally busy over the last, I don't know, couple months, I guess. Hey, thanks. Thank you. Remember when people used to do this in movies? They don't do that anymore.
Huzzah!
I had to bring that back. But, you know, the whole goal was just to make this into a space where we can really feasibly get some work on the Datsun done, regardless of the weather. We have AC in the window, we got a fan I mounted up here, so there is a little ambient noise, but it does stir the air up in here nice and it keeps it cool. It's under 70 in here right now, and it's really nice. So this winter, we'll need to do something to keep the heat from going straight through the roof, and you know, I'll deal with that as it comes up. As for now though, this is a much cleaner, much tidier space to get work done in, and so I think what we're going to do is we're going to roll the Datsun in, and we're going to take off the intake manifold and those carburetors, because we're going to put them on the new engine, which we took off the fuel injection intake on that. Yeah. We don't want to use that fuel injection system. I mean, I know a lot of people like it, but
we're keeping it simple.
We're going to keep it simple. Those old SU carburetors are
reliable as heck.
Yeah, you get them set up, and you don't have to really worry about them that much. They're simple machines. Even the old man can get his brain around it. So, I guess without further ado, let's roll the Datsun in here. And I did just have to clean it off out in the driveway because we had a hailstorm the other night, and though it wasn't damaged, unlike the old man's Honda, which did get damaged, not the Datsun because it is made of really thick metal, but it did get completely covered in smashed leaves from the trees that the hail knocked down. So I've been out there in the driveway trying to get it cleaned off. I imagine that once we roll it in here, we'll still be picking leaves out of it for a while. Anyhow, I guess let's do it. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Commence.
There it is. Come on. Yeah. Come on. There. Woo. Ta-da.
We did it.
There's our intake manifold. All right. a little more work than I wanted to do, but we got it off. It wasn't as bad as it could have been. All right, folks, so we made some progress. It's back to school time, back to work time, back into the garage, back on Project Z. We got the intake and the carbs off of here. Yanked the distributor out mostly because it was in my way, but this is stuff that's all going to go on the new engine. I feel like we got a lot done today. How do you guys feel about it?
Yeah.
All right, so thank you for liking us. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thanks for liking the videos. And if you haven't followed us on Patreon, you can go over there, oxgarageusa.com. You can support us there either financially or just by following and seeing what we do. And we appreciate all the support, moral or otherwise. So thank you very much. I guess that just leaves it to Moses to say,
Ox Studios, bum bum ba-dum.
bye.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, do that.